In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase voice speed in Elevenlabs. First, sign into your account at elevenlabs.io. Once you're in, head straight to text-to-speech. This is the workspace where you'll choose a voice, type or paste your script, and generate audio. Take a moment to pick your preferred voice from your library or the available options. It's worth selecting the voice you actually plan to use in your project because speed can sound slightly different from one voice to another. Next, open the Voice Settings panel. Depending on the interface, this may appear as a settings icon near the voice name or as a panel on the side. Inside, look for the speed control. If you see it, you can increase playback speed right here. Small adjustments usually yield the best results, so try bumping it up gradually and listen for clarity. In many cases, a modest increase, think in the range of about 1.05 times to 1.25 times, keeps the delivery natural while tightening the pacing. If your text is dense or technical, err on the conservative side so words don't blur together. Preview or regenerate brief snippets as you fine-tune, and aim for a balance between brisk and understandable. If you don't see a speed option, generate the audio first. Sometimes controls appear or make more sense after you have an initial clip to evaluate. Click Generate, let the system create the file, and play it back to confirm the baseline sound. When you're satisfied with the voice and content, download the audio file. Choose a format that suits your workflow, such as MP3 for quick sharing or WAV for higher quality editing. If the built-in speed control isn't available, or you want finer control, increase the speed using an editor like CapCut, Audacity, or Premiere Pro. Import the downloaded file, then apply a speed or tempo adjustment to make it faster. Look for options that preserve pitch, often labeled Maintain Pitch or Preserve Formants, so the voice doesn't sound higher or unnatural as you speed it up. Again, subtle changes are your friend. Try increments of 5 to 20%, and play back a few sections to ensure consonants remain crisp and the rhythm feels conversational. After tweaking, export the edited audio and use it in your video or podcast. That's the full workflow. Log in, go to text-to-speech, choose your voice, adjust speed in voice settings if available, generate if needed, download, and when necessary, we'll refine the pace in an editor while preserving pitch. With these steps, you'll get a faster delivery that still sounds clear, natural, and engaging.